SRG Limited recently won the ACRA award in the category of infrastructure for their project Monash Freeway Bridge Strengthening, Monash Freeway, Victoria, Australia. SRG were engaged by Cut and Fill and Vic Roads to carry out strengthening works to 8 bridges, 4 twin bridges, on the Monash Freeway. Over 5 kilometres of carbon fibre rods, laminate and fabric were used on this project to strengthen the bridges over Ferntree Gully Road, Jacksons Road, Police Road and Gladstone Road. The carbon fibre laminate strips were applied to the underside of beams, carbon fibre wrap to headstocks and carbon fibre rods to the top of the bridge deck. Works were conducted around the clock with crews working day and night to minimise any disruption to commuters during busy hours. Other ACRA members involved in this project were ACRA Australia and Vic Roads.